Outcome metrics in software development focus on what value was actually delivered, not just what was built or how fast it was completed. Unlike output or activity metrics, outcome metrics measure whether software changes create meaningful improvements for users and the business. They help teams understand if their work solves real problems and supports strategic goals rather than simply producing features. At their core, outcome metrics answer the question, did this make a difference? A team may release features on time and within scope, but if users do not adopt them or business results do not improve, the effort has limited impact. Outcome metrics shift attention from delivery volume to real-world results, such as customer satisfaction, engagement, or revenue growth. One key characteristic of outcome metrics is that they are user and business-centric. Examples include user retention, conversion rates, task success rates, and customer satisfaction scores. These metrics reflect how users experience the product and whether it helps them achieve their goals, making them far more meaningful than counting story points or completed tickets. Outcome metrics are closely tied to product goals and strategy. Each metric should map back to a clear objective, such as increasing active users, reducing churn, or improving operational efficiency. When teams define outcomes first, they can better decide which features are worth building and which work can be avoided. Another important aspect of outcome metrics is that they encourage learning and experimentation. Teams can release small changes, measure the impact, and adjust based on real data. This supports a feedback-driven approach where decisions are guided by evidence rather than assumptions or opinions. Outcome metrics also help reduce the risk of building the wrong thing. By monitoring outcomes continuously, teams can quickly detect when a feature is not delivering expected value. This allows them to pivot early, saving time, money, and effort that would otherwise be wasted on low-impact work. Common outcome metrics in software development include customer satisfaction, net promoter score, user engagement, revenue impact, cost savings, and time saved for users. The exact metrics vary depending on the product, but the focus remains on measurable change rather than internal activity. Outcome metrics promote cross-functional alignment. Product managers, designers, developers, and business stakeholders can rally around shared goals instead of competing delivery targets. When everyone measures success the same way, collaboration improves and trade-offs become clearer. Measuring outcomes is not always easy, and that is one of the main challenges. Outcomes may take time to appear, and many external factors can influence results. However, even imperfect outcome metrics are more valuable than perfect activity metrics because they point teams in the right direction. It is also important to balance outcome metrics with guardrail metrics such as performance, reliability, and quality. A positive business outcome should not come at the cost of poor user experience or technical stability. Together, these metrics ensure sustainable and responsible delivery. In conclusion, outcome metrics in software development shift the focus from doing work to delivering value. They help teams validate assumptions, align with business goals, and continuously improve based on real results. By prioritizing outcome metrics, organizations move closer to building software that truly matters to users and the business.